Gently bring your hand down. Thread the needle. चलो पार्श्वबालासन धीरे से inhale, opening the left arm by the side. दृष्टि ऊपर, engage करो. 1, 3, 5 and 10. Gently hand drop till shoulder. Drop your head down gently. Adjust करते हुए right hand behind the back. Stay into the posture. 1, 3, 4, 7. Support with the right hand and once again thread out of the needle, opening the left arm by the side. चलो दृष्टि ऊपर, following the left palm. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly release the left hand down. चलो धीरे into table toe and adjusting yourself, bring your right leg forward. आगे ले आओ. चलो coming into this posture. ठीक है? Hands on the waist. Hands on the waist. Right knee bend 90 degree. दृष्टि सामने. 1, 3, 8. ठीक है, आगे वाला पैर इस तरह से खोल दो. Leg straight on the heel. ठीक है? हाफ स्प्लिट. धीरे से इनहेल कीजिए. चलो एक्सेल करते हुए बैंड फ्रॉम द वेस्ट. आगे की तरफ जाने दो. बेंडिंग फ्रॉम द वेस्ट. वेरी गुड. पैर सीधा रहेगा. फील दैट स्ट्रेच इन योर हैमस्ट्रिंग्स. होल्ड करो. 1, स्पाइन सीधा. 2, 5, 6 and धीरे से इनहेल करके वापस आ जाओ. कम बैक सेंटर लाइन and release the neck down. Release the shoulder line में. बैलेंस करो. फोकस करो. Inhale again. Exhale करते हुए open the left arm by the side and दृष्टि following the left palm, finding the balance. Hold कीजिए. Very good. 1, 2, 5, 8, 9. चलो gently hands on the waist and half split. Open the left legs and exhale. चलो bend from the waist. बैलेंस के साथ में आप जितना नीचे जा सकते हैं. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. चलो inhale, come back center line and release the left leg also. Shashankasana. Go down. Drop your hips down. Hands straight. Chest down. Sorry, chin down. Stay there. 3 deep breath. 1. खोलते हुए, एडजस्ट करते हुए, इक्वल होल्ड कीजिए. 3 deep breath here. 1, 2. feet. राइट heel ऊपर जाएगा तो लेफ्ट नीचे, लेफ्ट ऊपर तो राइट नीचे. Just keep moving. 1, 2. Keep shifting the body weight from right heel to left heel. 3, 4, 7, 8, 9 and 10. चलो lastly धीरे से inhale कीजिए. Lifting up the heels, high heels. Body weight को palms के ऊपर आने दो and let it come on your toes and stay there. Find the balance. 4, 5, 6 and 10. चलो धीरे धीरे drop your heels down and try to walk forward. आगे चल के आ जाओ. Coming close to the hands, feet to forward fold. हल्का सा knee को bend कीजिए and go down. Stay there. Arms by the side and exhale. Release the hands by the side. Pranamasana में the practice of moon salutation. लंबी गहरी सांस अंदर, लंबी गहरी सांस बाहर. Exhale into पादहस्तानासन. धीरे से forward fold. नीचे आ जाओ. Inhale. Right leg back. अंजनी आसन. दृष्टि सामने. Engage करो pelvic floor को. Now deep inhale into Ardha Chandrasana. Bend backwards. अच्छे से bend कीजिए with balance. Exhale. चलो both the hands on the mat. Now landing into Parvatasana.
माउंटेन पोज, पैरों को एक साथ ज्वाइन कर लो, पुश योर चेस्ट डाउन, इनहेल एक्सेल अष्टांग नमस्कार, नी chest and chin down, hips tilting above. From here inhale into Bhujangasana, lifting the chest up, elbows bent up. Exhale, go back into Parvatasana, mountain pose. Coming into Parvatasana again. चलो, inhale, right leg forward, Anjani Asana, दृष्टि सामने, and deep inhale into Ardha Chandrasana with balance. अपने आप को बैलेंस करते हुए, bend backwards with balance. Exhale, both the hands forward. चलो, land into Padahastanasana, forward fold. Inhale, Hastuttanasana. Exhale into Pranamasana in front of the chest. First half round. Inhale, Hastuttanasana. Exhale, Padahastanasana. धीरे धीरे forward fold. Inhale, left leg back. Anjani Asana. दृष्टि सामने. Deep inhale into Ardha Chandrasana with balance. Exhale, hands on the mat. चलो, coming into Parvatasana, mountain pose. Inhale, exhale, Astang Namaskar, knee, chest and chin down, hips tilting above. Inhale into Bhujangasana, lifting the chest up, elbows bent half. Exhale, go back into Parvatasana, mountain pose. Chalo, inhale, left leg forward, Anjani Asana, with balance, deep inhale into Ardha Chandrasana. No rush here. Exhale, hands on the mat. Chalo, coming into Padahastanasana, forward fold. Inhale, Hastuttanasana, gentle backward bend. Exhale into Pranamasana in front of the chest. Second round, Savasana. Asana. Exhale, Padahastanasana. Inhale, left leg back, Anjani Asana. Deep inhale into Ardha Chandrasana with balance. Very good. Exhale, hands on the mat. Go back into Parvatasana, mountain pose. Chalo, inhale, exhale, Astang Namaskar, knee, chest and chin down. अच्छे से सपोर्ट करते हुए inhale into Bhujangasana, lift up. Elbow सीधा, shoulder relaxed. Exhale, go back into Parvatasana, mountain pose. चलो, inhale, left leg forward, Anjani Asana. Deep inhale into Ardha Chandrasana. Exhale, hands on the mat, landing into Padahastanasana. Inhale, Hastuttanasana. Exhale into Namasana in front of the chest.